millions of years of natural precision, perfected by the gentle touch of science. Every thriving garden holds a deep secret. Look beneath the surface to see where life truly begins. Swirling roots build visible success.
Want to grow like a true professional? It all starts with the right details. I will show you how to master your garden.
Every harvest begins with a single seed, planted in hope to feed the world.
Horticulture is the art of growing plants. It starts with seed selection and soil prep. Provide perfect moisture and light. Propagation cuts let you multiply your plants. Soon, you'll harvest the fruits of your labor.
Every thriving orchard, vibrant flower bed. Yet that single choice can determine an entire season's success.
Horticulture isn't simply planting seeds. It's the careful balance of observation, timing, and patience forms ordinary land into a source of food, beauty, and life.
But why do two gardens, planted on the same day under similar skies, produce completely different results? The answer begins long before the first leaf appears. To uncover the secret, we must follow a plant's remarkable journey. From selecting the perfect crop to the final harvest, one carefully planned step at a time.
Every successful horticultural project begins with choosing the right crop. Climate, rainfall, soil type, available space, and local demand all influence that important first decision. With the crop selected, attention turns to the land itself. Healthy plants need more than open space. They need an environment roots can breathe, absorb water, and grow freely.
Beneath every productive garden lies an unseen world of minerals. Healthy soil is far more than dirt. It's a living ecosystem supporting every stage of plant life. Only after understanding the soil can growers select high-quality seeds or seedlings. Genetics, disease resistance, and vigor quietly shape the harvest months before it ever reaches the table. For many crops, the journey begins in a nursery rather than an open field. Here, young seedlings receive careful protection while developing the strength needed to survive trantation. As roots expand and true leaves appear, the seedlings are ready for their greatest test, and each plant adapt to its new home.
Water now becomes both a lifeline and a challenge. Too little slows growth, while too much can suffocate roots. Successful growers understand that timing matters as much as quantity.
Growers spread mulch across the soil. This shields fragile roots from heat. These plants are growing stronger. But hidden dangers are already competing.
Weeds may seem harmless, but they quietly compete with crops for essential resources. Left unchecked, they can reduce yields long before farmers notice the damage. Healthy plants also require balanced nutrition. Nitrogen encourages leafy growth, phosphorus strengthens roots, and potassium supports flowering, fruit development. Even thriving gardens attract unwanted visitors. Insects, fungi, and plant diseases constantly test a grower's vigilance, making regular inspection of horticulture's most valuable habits.
Some crops need additional guidance to reach their full potential. Staking, pruning, and training improve airflow, strengthen stems, and allow sunlight to reach developing flowers and fruit.
After weeks or even months of careful attention, the signs finally appear. Vibrant color, full size, and rich aroma signal that the crop has reached its perfect moment for harvest.
Harvesting is more than gathering crops. Freshness, flavor, and quality, preserving months of hard work in just a few hours.
The journey doesn't end at harvest. Cleaning, sorting, grading, packaging, and proper storage determine whether produce reaches families fresh, nutritious, and ready to enjoy, or spoils before it ever arrives.
Please like, subscribe, and share. And join us next time as we explore the science of soil, an invisible world where every great harvest truly begins.